Hey everyone, I'm Milad and I'm very glad to see you again in my YouTube channel 3D Redbox. Today, I want to tell you about something very cool, how I made money with Substance Painter by selling some stuff like a smart mask, a smart material, texture or tutorial on ArtStation marketplace. Get this, I made over $5,000 from just one smart material on ArtStation marketplace, and I have got over 200 products in this marketplace. But this video isn't about bragging. I want to show you what this is all and how you can try it too. So let's hang out. Look at this. This is my smart material bundle, what I made from just some smart material and I created with Substance Painter. That's not even all of it, because I sell stuff in other marketplace like Flip Normal or CG Trader too. I will talk about that more in other videos. Okay, first of all, do you know ArtStation? Don't worry, I will tell you about the ArtStation. ArtStation, it's a very famous platform for digital artists and digital art, like 3D stuff, game design, or it's got two parts. One where you show off your work, call it portfolio page, like a big photo album, and another part, call it marketplace. You can sell things like texture, material, or 3D model. You can make money by selling one thing at a time, putting stuff in packs, or even getting job. For example, I like selling texture and material and 3D model because people want them and I'm very happy to sell them. Okay, second step, Substance Painter. Do you know what is the Substance Painter? Okay, again, if you don't know, don't worry, I will tell you about the Substance Painter. Substance Painter, it's very famous program for texturing your 3D model. For example, you can import your 3D model in Substance Painter and texturing on this. Think of 3D things like a sword for a game or a car in a cartoon. This tool lets you add color and detail. You can make metal look rusty or wood look old. People use it for games, movie, and even designing stuff. It's like drawing on 3D things, but Substance Painter, it's very easy to learning and very easy to using. For example, you can add some color, some layer, some texture, and some effect on your model and export that and use it. It's another software like 3D Max, Blender, or Maya, or every software. The things you can make and sell are a few types. First, texture. There are easy. A texture is a picture that make a surface look like a stone, cloth, or material. Here, one I did in Substance Painter. Another type, you can make it smart material. They are like a quick mix of texture that look awesome. It's a smart material. And look at this. It's a smart material on 3D model. Another type, you can sell it a smart mask. This let you pick parts of a model to change, like you can make just the edge look old or one spot dirty. Here's one. It shows how you can pick what to change. To start, you have to know a little bit about the Substance Painter. For example, you have to know how you can use it, the Substance Painter, or how you can create this smart material in Substance Painter. But don't worry about it. It's not too hard. The tools are easy to figure out and a few videos can get you going. I even made a free Substance Painter starter guide for you. If you want to learn the basics, you can use it to begin. Links in the description. You can download it and use it. Don't forget about it. Please write the comment for us. In the end, I have to tell you very important things about selling your product on ArtStation marketplace or another marketplaces. For example, in ArtStation, you can see a lot of variation of product about the substance painter, about the smart material, about the smart mask, texture, or 3D model. All people looking for very high quality and unique product. Don't copy another product. Please don't copy another product. At the first, you might not sell much, but when people like it and say good things about your product, okay, all people prefer buy your product. That smart material that made $5,000, it was slow at the first, but it was good. Good, nice comment, and then boom, ton of sales. If you like this idea, check out ArtStation and see what's there. I will put my page, my free guide, and some example in description, but you should try it yourself. Next time, I will tell you about another marketplaces and golden tips trick for sell your product. Okay, thanks for chilling with me. I will see you later.